Hi everybody! Today we are going to be drawing an ice cream cone. So I would like you to gather up some paper, a pencil, a marker, and crayons. That's all you need. Okay, we'll get started. Okay everybody, we are going to draw the ice cream cone. And what you will need for this is a pencil, a marker, and an eraser, and your crayons, okay? So you're only going to be doing a little bit in the beginning with the pencil, unless you want to do the whole drawing in the pencil. But let me tell you what we're going to do. First, we're going to be drawing a line straight down from the top down to the bottom in the middle. So just a straight line down. And then another line that's in the middle from side to side. So just right around in the middle. And you probably can't see that, but I'll show you. I'm going to get this a little closer. See how you can see and the only reason you're doing that is it's going to give you sort of something to work off of. So this is going to be the center part of the paper, and that is where the ice cream cone is starting. Now I'm going to be switching over to a marker so that it's easier for you to see. You can do your entire drawing in the pencil, and then afterwards you can outline all your pencil marks in the marker, or you can go straight to the marker. It just depends on how comfortable you feel with your marker. And remember, ask permission to use any of the markers that might be not the best to use. Like this is a Sharpie, and sometimes these Sharpies can leave stains on fabric or a tabletop. So you want to make sure that you're using the right kind of marker. I'm using this because it's super dark so that you can see it. Okay, so now we've got the center line down the middle. I want you to draw just two little dots. A dot that's about an inch from the center line and another dot that's about an inch away. And the only reason we're doing those is those are going to be like a guideline for you to draw the top rim of your ice cream cone. So now with your pencil or your pen on that first dot, I want you to draw like a smile or a curved line. So a big smile over to the other dot. And now from this dot and that dot, I want you to bring your pen down. You're not coming straight down, you're sort of angling it in just a little bit. And same with this one, angling it in. And you're going to be doing the same curve or same smile line from this line to that line. Like that. Can you tell that's the beginning of your ice cream cone? And now you will be going straight line down a little further than you did this one, maybe twice as far, and a straight line down. And then with the same type of curve that you did these two, you're going to be doing this curve right here. And that's the bottom of your ice cream cone. So now I want you to come up and build the ice cream. So we're going to be just coming up to the top of the ice cream cone, and we're going to be putting our first layer of ice cream. And what you're going to do is sort of make a snake line that goes like that and then down to the edge of the ice cream cone. So all that was sort of like a snake, and then he came down. And then the second layer of ice cream is you're going to come up, and then you're going to tip up, and then come down like that. So that was just a snake, and then you come down. The last layer of ice cream, you are going to make a tip like that, and then you'll make another tip like that. Okay, now to give your ice cream some depth, I want you to come into this point and go straight down, and then come to this point and come down, and same over here, just come on down. And that's giving your ice cream sort of layers. You could have different colors, different flavors in there. Now we're going to work on the ice cream cone a little bit. Now when you did this first line here, you want to make another line right next to it. And then same with this one, you want to come above it and make a line. And then down here at the bottom, we want to do some of those little checkers that you see on ice cream cones. So you're going to be doing some curves like that. And these are just, they're not straight lines, they're sort of like a curve. You're just going to come all the way up. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And you can kind of think about these as like a smile, smile, curve, all the way across. So see how you're getting those really cool looking checkers? Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and erase this line and this line. And I'm going to put my ice cream cone on top of a table. So I'm going to erase all these lines like that. Then I'm going to make a table line that goes behind the ice cream cone. And I'm going to come down to about this part of the ice cream cone, and I'm going to draw a straight line across. And I'm not going to go over that ice cream cone. I'm going to go behind it and then draw a line. And then I think that this ice cream is sitting on a tabletop outside. So I'm going to put a sun like that. And then you could just leave it like that, or not even put the sun if you don't want to put the sun. But I want to have my sun have some sun rays, and I'm just doing kind of little curves to kind of make it a happy sun. And then you can even do curves going the other direction in between those. Now I think we're pretty much done. You can do anything you want to with this. You can, of course, make any flavored ice cream you want, any flavored cone. It could be, you could put some trees like you're out in the park, some birds in the sky or a butterfly. It could be on a fun colored table, a picnic table. I'll show you one that I colored so that you can get an idea of what I was doing when I colored mine. So I made strawberry ice cream with some little chocolate chips in there, and I did a blue sky in the background, and I put some pink in the sky and a yellow sun, sorry about that, yellow sun, and I made a green table, and I brought some of the yellow sun color down onto the tabletop, and then I put another shade of green right here to give it, to kind of make it look like it had a shadow. And I did sort of the same thing here on the ice cream cone. So there's all kinds of fun things you could do to this. You know, you could have it dripping, you know, anything. You could just have it, all kinds of fun stuff. But anyway, I hope you had fun with me. And remember that if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and start it back up again. Okay? That was fun.